That's alarm. Severio. Let's start. Come. What's wrong with the ad? Nagkakalaro ko yan. Papa. Miko?
Robot attack.
What do you do?
Robot attack.
What's Severio is July. What's that DC? That sound. Severio is in the drive. What's wrong? Let's go there. Yep. How many the pieces? Left or right? Or left? Okay.
Ang tanging pinaniniwalaan ko po, alugain ng mga unahin niyo po sila.
Hey, that's not left. This is white car. Left or right? This is right. This is go to Marcos Highway.
Okay na.
What's wrong? Oh,
Chicken rice.
Mommy.
Namin.
You're not robotry. The ghost is empty. Let's go there this way left. Oh! Hey, what's wrong with the crash? What's accidental? Let's go there.
Basta social media lang ang ginagawa. Ba't hindi porket nagkapera ka na magiging epal ka na, ha? Dapat patuloy tayong maging humble dahil lahat ng bagay ay tagumpay.
Huh? What's wrong too?
At magpapalala.
Hey! What do you do, Michael? Severio? I'm tired. You tired, Severio? Hey. Let's drive. Oh no. What? What's wrong with the drive? That's this way road. This is office. What's wrong?
Next year, and reinvigorate ourselves, remind ourselves of the principles that support for, remind ourselves why we and put our heads down.
Let's go West Marcos Highway.
May bawang yung pagkain mo pa.
Oh? Oh? Okay, let's go there.
International airport is an airport that works always with the passengers.
Woohoo! That's Marcos Highway.
Genuine Filipino service.
Marcos Highway? Hey! That's Marcos Highway. The Severio is on my drive.
We have engaged international partners in the conduct of
Donut back.
strengthening cooperation, resource management, and interagency coordination.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patuloy at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
This is a drive. It's not traffic. Okay, let's go. There, Marcos Highway. What's bus wheels? What? Hey, no!
Notoy from Manila, check.
Ah,
Hardy from Palawan.
not again.
Kaya sa inyo regalo nito. Okay, check. Oh,
Excuse me po, pwede po ba kayong mais po?
ano ba natin? Ano ba yun?
Naglilinis po kami ng mga heads dun sa bedroom. Nakita po namin dun sa ilalim ng cabinet.
Oh, 2,000 ito ah.
This is, oh no, that's fun.
I am King.
Oh, let's go there. Woohoo! What's that's sweeping drive?
Ito po yung wish ko. Santa, can you give me a giant teddy bear for my birthday?
That's easy drive.
Promise, I am a good girl always. Merry Christmas, love, Jingle Bell.
This is a drive. Huh?
Santa, may problema tayo. 10 years na po ito.
Hindi deliver pa rin natin yan, Randy. It's better late than never.
Huh? What's wrong with my body? Let's go there. 2, 3. Where go? I'm not crazy in my car. It's broken. Scenario is broken.
Dali, subo na agad. Sus. Pasantap muna bago magsubo.
What?
Ma'am,
Okay,
naman po
it's
itong mga
right.
tinatapon po ninyo. Sigurado ko pinaghirapan ito ng mga nabigay sa inyo.
Are you still okay? Because they're really like me, hindi nila ako bibigyan ng gift.
Ano nga ito?
I don't care.
Ano ba, Yaya? Pay-attention naman!
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, Panyero, I'm on it. Yes, Panyero. Hold on. Anak, I have to look over and say,
Okay.
Ikaw ang bahala sa princess ko, ha?
Wala pong problema, Sir
Wait.
George. Kahit wala na hindi namin madadapagulay.
Snake. Oh.
I want one.
Anything for Ay, wala naman. Last mo sa Panyero? Yes, yes. Ako, Jam. Kaya lang kayo ng oras dyan. Alam niyo naman kasama ko lang sa makiwan niyo.
Hindi naman siguro. Dito mo na.
Ooh, it's so sunset.
Intindihin mo na lang. Okay, dito ito. Ibigay ko ng dito.
That's time sunset. Scenario go to from my cup. Turn left. Let's go back my home until the drive.
Ay, ko.
Sino ka? How did you get in?
Hi, I'm Randy, the Red Ghost Rider. You're Jacob, right?
So what is I am?
Para sa'yo to.
What's this? Sorry for the late delivery. Sorry, I am just my drive. Santa Claus? This is joke? Oh. This bug is... Oh no, it's empty. It's like two. That swiper is rain. It's low battery. What is this? Hey! What's waiting do?
Leg. Bawang na yun, ha?
Oh no! It's my drive. It's my drive.
Sumaksin.
That's not English. Yeah. That's drive. I need my drive. It's raining. Let's go back. Oh. Hey. Oh.
Bakit kain yan? Hindi naman na yung dulo ng kutsara. Ewan. Hindi na nakapagsawa.
Just log on to GFNetwork.com/EDV live stream or simply scan this code. EDV Celebrity Collab Edition 2.0.
Gising na lang, Pasko na! Kaya eto na ang Ice Mercado with Christmas OPM icon, Jose Maria. Magsayaw with Zia Garahe. At kumanda na sa pagkaling ni Marta Santa. At team ng OG Cuties. All on Sundays!
Ganito sa taong puso. Sino po ba yung
Family Feud, 5:40 p.m.
What's up? Come on.
Sa loob ng isang taon, ginagawa ng reporters notebook ang iba't-ibang issue ng lipunan at pamahalaan. Kontrobersya at trahedya ang nagmarka sa maraming Pilipino. Mga pangyayaring bumago sa buhay ng maraming
Sa Reporters Notebook. Isang tao may sponsor o pag-aaral niya ang kailangan sa ganun na paaral sa kanya ay may pagmanak siya. Last Louise. Baka kapuso patuloy tayo malakas with 115 GMA stations nationwide. Aming signal coverage. Mas marami pa ang puso ang papagkilig.
What's wrong with the rain?
South Luzon, Western Visayas, Central Visayas, Eastern Visayas, Northern Mindanao, Southern Mindanao,
Maglagay ka dyan sila. Hilo.
Zamboanga, at PARN. This is our commitment to give you the strongest, latest, and widest coverage across the country as we remain forever one with the Filipino. Topico.
Sarap.
Tumi. Ipi.
Pauwi na daw sila. Next day, pauwi na mami.
Ipi mo.
Miss mo na si mama?
Tulog na sila.
Tahimik to pa kung wala si mama.
Let's go for teacher. Let's run do. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.